Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and yes, I know it's been a while since my last video. As I keep saying, literally, it's just life, unfortunately. Work, and as you all know, I had a beautiful little daughter, and yeah, it's just, I'm still doing YouTube, but as I said before, the videos will get a bit slow from time to time and a bit spaced out. So I'm just doing what I can when I can. But anyway, down to the reason for this video. I have got some new bumpers for Denis. I'm gonna let you know right now, I'm not gonna clickbait you. I won't be installing them on this video because there is a bit of work to do on them, and I shall show you that in a second. But yeah, I've got new bumpers, and also I've got another part for them that you'll find out in another video what I've got. But it's a part that I've been looking for about a year, and I haven't been able to find it because my part on my car is too rust damaged, so I've literally got to replace it. But it will save me money in the long run, to be fair. But anyway, let's go look at these bumpers that I've bought. Before I show you the bumpers, I want to show you something else that I've bought for the car, seeing as it's going to be sitting in here for most of winter. Obviously, wheel savers or tire savers, I don't know what they're called, but basically they stop flat spotting on the tire and make sure it sits more tire like instead of on the floor. Obviously that's how you get your flat spot, whereas it's a nice sort of curved, I don't even know what to call it, it's curved. Basically it stops flat spots. Yeah, these only cost me about 20 odd quid, I think, for 4 of them. Got them on the back as well. They're a bit of a nightmare to drive up, as I ended up wheel spinning on the front ones and made a bit of a burn mark on them. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, I made a bit of a burn mark on them. But yeah, they still work fine, so no big deal really. Now for the bumpers. I have not fitted them yet, but here they are. And some of you who like Mark 5s will probably already know they're the ZTEC bumpers. The reason I'm not putting these on is, you might have been able to tell already, but the spray job isn't amazing. We've got scratches here and whatnot. I don't think there's any cracks in it anywhere, but it certainly does need a respray. I'm quite happy I've got the fog lights with these, which is always a bonus. But yeah, the spray job is literally appalling. I mean, he's tried, but I don't think it's quite Denis worthy. So, for example, this is on the side, and we can quite clearly see that there's no effort at all to spray this section, and we can see that it was off a silver ZTEC. And also on another note, we can see it was sprayed on the car because if you see here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a dribble mark somewhere. The dribble's going down, so obviously that's gravity pulling the paint down. So you can definitely tell that it was spray painted on the car. I am really tempted to put these on, but I don't really want to just yet. I want them to be perfect before they go on the car. But who knows? I might get impatient and just put them on anyway. So I may not be putting them on, but to sort of give you a rough idea of how they're going to look when they're on. Obviously I can't really do the back one because I haven't got space. But that's what you're sort of looking at. It's kind of hard to vision, but it is going to look badass. But as I say, it'll look even better when it's been properly sprayed. I think that I might rattle can it, just because I'm quite confident. That scared the living crap out of me. I think I might rattle can it because I feel quite confident that, I can do quite a decent job myself. I know in an ideal world you'd take it to somewhere with spray paints and get it professionally sprayed, but the funding is sort of going down bit by bit because I'm really starting to hammer on buying bits and bobs for this car now. So yeah, I think I will rattle can it. But as I say, that will be in a separate video, as I'm not gonna have time for a while, so it'll have to be another day or week or so. But the bottom line of it is they will be on hopefully by the end of the year, potentially January if the weather's not very nice to me, but we'll have to see how we go. Right then guys, so like I pretty much said, that is basically the video. As I say, I need to get everything together to actually spray the bumper, and obviously then we've got to fit it and get a nice day to fit it, and we'll probably need about 2 nice days to actually spray the bumper. But yeah, it should look really good. And I just want to say that these parts, like this bumper and the other part I've got, and obviously the stuff to spray, was paid by, you know, it was paid from YouTube. I don't use my own money with stuff like this on the project car. Like, YouTube pays for this, and this is you guys making this possible. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that watches these videos and watches the progress on Denis, because you guys make this build possible. And when this is all done and he's looking amazing and looking how I want him to look, we can all look at him and think, you know what, it wasn't just me, it was all of you as well that made this possible. So thank you so much. I know you think, oh, you know, we just watch a video, but it's more than that. You know, it's the loyalty behind it that does it for me. And, you know, it's just seeing all you guys comment and all you guys getting involved in the videos. I absolutely love seeing that. And it does upset me sometimes when I can't make a video as often as I want to, because I want to give you guys the content. I don't want to be leaving it weeks on end, but as I say, life gets in the way, and you've got to prioritize at the end of the day. I can't justify putting YouTube before my own daughter. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the sound of my pizza being done. 1 second. Shh. So yeah, as always guys, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time guys, peace.